on YouTube. So right now we're gonna be doing the intake replace to those cold air intakes that you guys have probably seen online. So right now it's gonna be a before, like how it sounds regularly, and then an after. So right now we're about to do it. Let's get it. You guys heard that? That's what it sounds like right now. Alright then. Now we're gonna do an after. Get back into it.
Aquí traigo los air tanks por el Infinity.
Cold air intake. You already know what the word is.
Por $120. Miren,
Yes, sir. Look at that.
120 bolas. The covers por la tierra. Los air tanks. Que dice que para que corra más recio, pero puro slayer.
Alright guys, so right now we're going to be taking off the cover. You already know what the deal is. Right now it's low-key dirty. Never cleaned the inside or this right, you know. So after, like, I'm gonna make sure to clean it so that it looks decent, you know. Get the dust off and stuff. Boom. Alright, get back in a few seconds. Alright, so right now we're gonna be taking that off. I don't know what it is, but you already know. Alright, now we're gonna take off the bolts. My bad if it keeps shaking. Boom. And now we're gonna take off the thingy. You already know. Boom. And now from the tube, whatever you call that. Let me know if that brand is good. DC Sports. You already know. Now we're gonna connect that bad boy. Alright, we're putting on that wiring now. Yes, sir. Yo, my fault. We were having technical issues, and we ended up installing this one already. It was supposed to be a long tube, but we ended up making it short because the previous owner had it so where they cut something around here, you know, and they were able to do it. So unfortunately, we can't do that. But what we could do is install this cover so that the hot air could hopefully be blocked around here, you know. Alright, but right now I'm going to record the process of this one being installed so that you guys could get a little look of how we installed this one. But right there. Alright, now we're going to start tying the stuff.
Préndelo.
Alright, so now we got some bad boys on. So right now we're about to do a test rev to see if they're loud, you know. Y'all hear them? God damn, them bitches loud. You already know. Alright. Leave a like, subscribe. You already know. Turn on post notifications to see the new mods and all that. Thanks to my dad for installing them. You already know what the word is. Yo, so right now we're practically done. We're just installing these covers. I don't know what this is though. My dad's friend gave it to us. If you guys have any, like, know what it is, let me know. It's like lines. I don't know. It looks cool, to be honest. But it kind of looks cheap. I don't know. Like, we don't know what it is. Maybe they bought it, I don't know, for like 20 bucks or something. Something like normal material, I don't know. But we're finishing it up though. It looks good though. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Yes, sir.